Hi students, welcome to Sri Guru Bio classes. In last class, we have discussed about endomembrane system and the structure and function of endoplasmic reticulum. In this class, we are going to discuss about another important cell organelle which is comes under endomembrane system, that is Golgi apparatus. That is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. Next, coming to the topic, in the year 1898, Camillo Golgi identified the densely packed structures, densely stained reticulate structures found in near the nucleus. In the year 1898, Camillo Golgi densely stained reticular structures were found near the nucleus of the cell. Later, these densely stained structures are named it as Golgi apparatus. Honor of this name of the scientist. So, Golgi apparatus means the densely stained reticular structures mainly found in cell. This is known as Golgi apparatus. Now, let us see the structure of this Golgi apparatus. Generally, these Golgi apparatus are a flat or sacs or cisterns. The Golgi apparatus are small stacked sacs or cisterns, generally 0.5 to 1 micrometer in diameter. So, the Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus, it is a small disc shaped or flat cisterns approximately 0.5 to 1 micrometer in diameter. All these cisterns arranged in a stacked manner and parallel. So these all cisterns are arranged in that stacked parallel in nature. In this, number of cisterns present in the Golgi complex are different in different cells. So the number of cisterns varies. Next, coming to this Golgi apparatus, these cisterns having two phases. One is forming phase or convex phase or cis phase. forming phase, convex phase or cis phase. This side of this Golgi apparatus, named it as this. Next, this side of this Golgi apparatus, this phase of this Golgi apparatus, called it as maturing phase, concave phase or trans phase So the cisterns arranged in that Golgi apparatus having two phases. One is cis phase or convex phase or forming phase. Another side maturing phase, concave phase or trans phase. In this cis phase and trans phase or maturing phase or forming phase are entirely different in nature. But these both cis phase and trans phase both are mixed together and worked as a single unit. So both are entirely different, that they are work together and they are present in that both are in that one association. Next, coming to this function of these Golgi apparatus. What is the main function of these Golgi apparatus? Generally, the Golgi apparatus are involved in the process of transport of packing material, transport of packaged materials in intracellular targets or outside of the cell. Generally, these Golgi apparatus are mainly worked as a packaged materials is transferred in intracellular targets or outside of the cells. Generally, the proteins which is produced in endoplasmic reticulum are fused into the vesicle form, packaged into a vesicle form and fused in this cis. The materials, the proteins which is synthesized in endoplasmic reticulum, generally the endoplasmic reticulum having ribosomes on the walls of this endoplasmic reticulum, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulum are the major sources of protein production. After production of that protein, the proteins and our new synthesized proteins are packaged into a form of vesicles. These vesicles are transferred through these vesicles. These vesicles are fused with cis phase of this Golgi apparatus. So once the Golgi apparatus receive these vesicles and their processing are done inside this Golgi apparatus, they are sent outside in that trans or maturing phase. These newly synthesized proteins are modified in this and released into this maturing phase. So these maturing proteins are transferred to these target organs, either intracellularly or outside of the cell. So this is the main function of this Golgi complex. So that's why always we are observing this Golgi complex which is near to the endoplasmic reticulum, and always the forming phase or convex phase or cis phase is near to this endoplasmic reticulum and towards the endoplasmic reticulum. So this is the main reason why Golgi apparatus cis phase always towards this endoplasmic reticulum, means the protein synthesized in that endoplasmic reticulum are directly coming to that and directly receive these Golgi operators in the forming phase or cis phase only. After processing of these newly synthesized proteins, they send it to this trans or maturing phase. Next, the Golgi operators are also involved in the process of synthesis of glycoproteins and glycolipids. So these are also involved in the process of synthesis of glycoproteins and glycolipids. So this is the simple structure of Golgi operators. Simple structure and function of these Golgi operators. If you have any doubts on this topic, please comment in the comment box. If you want more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.